Hello and welcome to our Python main channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the top 5 Python libraries and frameworks that you should know about. Python is a powerful programming language that can be used for a wide range of applications, and these libraries and frameworks make it even more versatile. Let's get started. Easily read and write data from different sources, perform data cleaning and preprocessing, and perform statistical analysis. Whether you are working with tabular data, time series data, or any other kind of data, Pandas is a must-have library for data scientists and analysts. Second, NumPy is a library for numerical computing in Python. It provides a powerful array object that allows you to perform mathematical operations on large datasets efficiently. With NumPy, you can perform basic arithmetic operations, linear algebra, Fourier transforms, and more. NumPy is the backbone of many other scientific computing libraries in Python, and is an essential tool for anyone working with large amounts of numerical data. Third, Matplotlib is a library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. It provides a wide range of plotting functions and options, allowing you to create almost any kind of plot or chart that you can imagine. Whether you are visualizing data for a scientific paper, creating a dashboard for a business application, or exploring data for personal projects, Matplotlib has the tools you need to create beautiful and informative visualizations. Fourth, Flask is a micro-web framework for Python. It is designed to be lightweight, flexible, and easy to use, making it a great choice for building small to medium-sized web applications. With Flask, you can easily create RESTful APIs, render HTML templates, and handle user authentication. Whether you are building a simple CRUD app, a blog, or a small e-commerce site, Flask is a great choice for web development in Python. Fifth, Django is a full-stack web framework for Python. It is designed to be powerful, scalable, and secure, making it a great choice for building complex web applications. With Django, you get a wide range of features out of the box, including an ORM for database access, an admin interface for managing content, and built-in support for user authentication. Whether you are building a social network, a content management system, or an e-commerce platform, Django has the tools you need to create a robust and reliable web application. And there you have it, the top 5 Python libraries and frameworks that you should know about. Whether you are just getting started with Python or are already a seasoned developer, these tools will help you be more productive and efficient in your work. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other Python videos for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.